Hey guys, David with Binary Masterclass here, coming to you today with another video about binary options. And today we are going to tackle the subject of the truth about binary options. All right guys, so in this video today, we're going to dig into the truth about binary options. Obviously, there are a lot of people on the internet. If you read YouTube comments, if you read comments on different online forums, you're going to hear people talking about how binary option trading is just a scam, how you're not going to get your deposits from your broker, how you're going to lose all your money, how the system is rigged to cause you to lose money. And so we're going to address some of those issues today. And one of the biggest reasons why I think people want to make the claim that binary options are a scam is that most people do lose all their money that they invest trading binary options. There are a few instances where you have trouble getting withdrawals from brokers. We'll talk about that in a minute, but the main reason why people like to claim that binary options are a scam is because they just simply don't make money doing it. And if you get people losing enough money, they're going to become disgruntled. They're going to start trashing whatever means it is they lost their money, even if they lost their money of their own accord and not because the trading they were engaged in was a scam. Now, most people actually are going to lose money in most kinds of trading that they engage in because they don't get into their trading with a plan. They don't have a strategy. They don't tackle it in an intelligent, disciplined way. They jump in, think they're going to make a ton of money, lose their money, walk away with hurt feelings, an empty wallet, and bitterness towards whatever system they were involved in. And that goes true for trading binary options. Most people are attracted to binary options because they think it's a way they can make money quick. And you can make money quick if you know what you're doing. Now, the systems that we teach here at Binary Masterclass are more about a disciplined, methodical approach that allow you to make consistent, regular gains over time with moderate risk level instead of going for the home run types of trading, which you can do after you learn the system, but that's not necessarily the angle we approach, because we don't want you losing all your money. We don't want you losing money at all. And I think if you have a system that is proven, and ours isn't the only system, there's different systems and or strategies out there that you can learn, that you can make money at trading binary options. If you dedicate yourself to learning a system, if you have the right indicators, and if you're a part of a community of traders who are also following a system and making money trading binary options, you can make money doing this consistently most every day. So no, binary options are not a scam in that you are going to lose your money because the system is fixed against you. You're probably going to lose your money because you don't follow your system, you don't have a good system, you break your trading rules, or some other reason like that. Now, let's talk about the other thing I just mentioned. Is binary options trading rigged? Is the broker simply causing you to get spiked out of trades that you actually should have won? Now, in the case of OTCs, over-the-counter currencies, that may well be the case because there's really no underlying asset that the charting is pinned to where you can verify what direction the currency should have been moving in that moment. But in the case of the major currency pairs, I don't think that is the case. We've certainly gotten spiked out of our fair share of trades, one at the last instant where it seemed like an impossibility that we were going to be able to lose that trade. But I would also have to say, if I'm honest, that we win a lot of those trades in the same fashion as well. Trades that we really didn't think we were going to have the ability to win, we win in the last instant. So I don't think that if you trade the regular currency pairs, and again, guys, I cannot emphasize this enough, that you use independent charting with quality indicators to verify the movements of your binary options charting, I think you're gonna find that it is not rigged in a fashion that is designed for you to lose in that way. Okay guys, so the truth is, this is a great way to add income to your portfolio if you know what you're doing. And the three biggest keys to making money in binary options are your indicators, your strategy, and your community. Those three things we provide for you here at Binary Masterclass, and we're inviting you to join us into this wonderful world of binary options and learn how to make money consistently and on a daily basis trading binary options. Now, at the beginning of the video, I said I'm going to tell you how to get our indicators, which normally retail for $199, how to get them for free. Here is what you need to do, guys, to get our indicators for free. Very simple. You need to set up a Pocket Options account. You need to set up an account with Quotex, both of them under our affiliate link. You need to fund both of those accounts, and you need to simply send us evidence of those accounts having been opened in our name and funded, and we will then send you a link to our indicators, which you can download for free and have unlimited lifetime access to. But guys, above that, more than just wanting to get you our indicators for free, what I want to do is get you trading successfully. And in order for you to do that, what I need you to do is to sign up at Binary Masterclass, to join us in the trading room, to go through our training, our binary boot camp, which you get you up to speed on how we trade, on how to get your charting set up, on all the basics that you need to be successful at binary options. And then with that, you get an invitation to join us live in the trading room Monday through Friday, 6 a.m. Pacific time for our regular members, 5:15 a.m. for our premium members who get extended time with us live personally in the trading room where we are making money every day, and that's what we want for you. So there we go.